Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And so we are almost a week after the Patch Tuesday updates. And it's been rather quiet from what I've seen, but somebody asked me about some reports of different little problems. And it's kind of hard to really pinpoint that there is an issue. Microsoft hasn't come out with any recommendations, anything about any problems. So the problems that people have seen are on Windows 11 when you apply the Patch Tuesday updates, which gives you the KB5094126. Now, where I don't think that it is Patch Tuesday problems is, of course, reports of HP blue screening and of BitLocker problems. And those, we talked about HP problems and Dell problems with all of those. So I have the impression it's just the continuation of what was those problems, and that seemed to be HP and Dell that is the issue and not the Windows updates. The one that it doesn't clearly, come out of the background noise, but that some have mentioned, is that once they applied the update, if you had OneDrive or Dropbox integration with File Explorer, it seems that the backups aren't working, or the access to your online cloud, it doesn't work well. One user said that what he found out is that it would seem to be a problem maybe with the user access control system of Windows, because he says when he turns that off, things come back to normal. So, but once again, when you look at the number of problems, the average problems that people are having, there's nothing that really stands out. So is it Patch Tuesday problems? Is it just random issues? That's where we're not really sure of what it is exactly, but we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll see also if Microsoft ever comes up with maybe a statement saying that yeah, there's a problem with this or that. But for the most part, from what I see, seems to work. The update seems to work well for pretty much everywhere. But we'll keep an eye on that, definitely. If something stands out, we'll talk about it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.